Hello friends, here in this session we will discuss a mock paper based on prelims, and all the 35 questions we will solve within 20 minutes or less than that. See, in the thumbnail you can see within 18 minutes we can solve all the 35 questions, right? Because 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, 3 minutes in hand should be there to help you whether in any questions you stuck in the examination or some situation you may fall that exact logic of the question may not be understood by you. So for that, in safe hands, you may save 2 minutes at least. Okay, so this should be our core concern, to solve all the 35 questions not in 20 minutes but within 18 minutes, right? So here is the first set. You can see this is a 5 number series question, missing number series. See, 22 47 difference. Here the difference is coming, so this is 25, this difference is 49. So quite confirm that this is 5 square, this is 7 square. Now what is the this difference and this difference? Just check this one, or before that, if this is 5, this is 5, this is 7, this is 9, 11, 13, 169, not suitable, right? So this is not 9. If we take, this is not 9 but 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. This is prime number series, and this is 9. Whenever 9 comes, this is odd number series. So if this is the scenario, that is 121 added to 96, 96 added to 96, this will give you 1217, right? 217 plus 169, 7863, right? So 386. So our answer is 217, right? 49, this is 21, 21, this is 42, double, and this is 63. Now this is 21 multiplied by 1, this is multiplied by 2, this is multiplied by 3, and this is multiplied by 4, that is 84. So 84 259, right? Okay, 179, difference is 2163, and here the difference is 50. 79 21, and this difference is what? 21, so 65, right? And what is this difference? 837, right? So this difference is 15 here, this is 13 here, this should be 11. Let's check it. 26, yes, and this difference may be 9, yeah, maybe 9. So this would be 17, right? So this difference is 17, means this difference is 16, 49. So option A. 9.3, 14.1, 20. Difference is not, numbers not getting very large, so we can just take it 4.8 here. See, if this is 14.3, then the difference is 5, but this is 0.2 less, so 4.8 here. This is 6, this is 6, 7.2, so 1.2 here, this is 1.2, this is 1.2, and this is also 1.2. Then this difference would come 8.4, this difference 9.6. If this is total 10, so 45.7, but not 10 but 0.4 less, so 45.3. Moving to next, 7, 7, 21, 105, 735, 735, 105, this is clear multiple of 7, this is multiple of 5, this is 3, and this is 1. That means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, this can be either multiple of 9 or multiple of 11. It can be an odd number series, it can be a prime number series. Let's do the same. 735 multiplied by 9. So 7350 minus 735, right? This is 15, this is 6615. Yeah. So this is an odd number series, right? Moving to next. Okay. Here is some word problems. 480 milliliter of mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 9:7. After 16x of mixture is taken out and 15 ml and milk and the same quantity of water is added, then the ratio becomes 5:4. So after removing some quantity, ratio still be the same, that is 9.7, 9:7, and adding 15, here is also adding 15, ratio becomes 5.4. Now this ratio difference is 2, make this difference also 2, that is 10, 8. So this is one difference from the earlier ratio, this is also difference 1. So, and also the adding quantity, that is also same for milk and water both. So 1 unit equals to 15. So initial quantity after removing 16x, that is 16 into 15, which is equal to 240 liters. So what is the initial quantity? That is 480. After removing 16x, that is again 480 liter ml, right? So this is 240 after removing, and this removing part equals to 16x, x equals to then 1 5 15. This is it. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 45 days, right? B and C complete in 35 days, and C alone can complete 63 days. Now this is 5 into 9, this is 5 into 7, this is 7 into 9. So what is the total work? You can take here 7 into 9 into 5. Now what is the total efficiency of A and B? But you have to first check that because only one person is given, that is C. So 7 into 9, that is 5, and B and C total efficiency, total work, total days, that is 5 by 5 into 7. So what is the efficiency here? That is 9. 5 by 7, only 9 is left, and 5 C's efficiency is already 5. So B's efficiency, that is 4, and A and B sum total, that is 7. 5 into 9 is a total, that's 7. So what is the efficiency of A? B is 4, total is A and B 7, that is A's efficiency is 3. Now A, B, C total efficiency, individual efficiency we have calculated. Now what it's asked, that find the time taken by A alone to complete 60% of the work. This is the total work, 60% of this, and efficiency of A is 3 divided by 3, 5. So total is 63 days, right? A box contain red balls, green balls, blue balls. So and total number of balls, that is 2x plus 16, double of this total red balls. Now so this is total, and this is red, this is green, and this is blue. So 3x plus 11, so x equals to 5. Now the probability of drawing a green ball, what is the total number of green ball? That is 8. Total number of blue balls 5. Total number of red balls, that is 13. So total balls is 26, out of which only one green ball. 8 C1, 26 C1, 26 C1. That means 4 by 13. Here it is. Moving to next. A and B started a business by investing 8,7200, and after X months A left the business, C joined the business. Okay, so investment of A is 8,000, B is 72,000, C is 7200, 9600 is for C. Now the profit ratio after the end of the year is this. Now after X months A left the business, so this is multiplied by X. B works for all the 12 months, and C joined after X month, that is 12 minus X. Now this is 8,000, means 80 multiplied by X, 72 multiplied by 12, 10 by 27. We can do it. Now this is 8, so this is 9, this is 3, this is 4. So X equals to 4. Now X equals to 4 we have already calculated. This value is 4. Now 72 multiplied by 12, 96 multiplied by 8, 12 minus X is 4, so this is 8. Now 27 by Y, so this would be 8, 9, this is 3, so Y equals to 24. So X value is 4, Y value is 24. So what is the total? That is 28, sum total, right? The speed of car A, this is X less, and bus speed is X. Time taken by travel by bus, that is X, 80 by X, 30 minutes less than the time taken by car to cover 90 kilometer distance. That means X minus 4, and this is half. So 90 by X minus 4 minus 80 by X, which gives you half. Now check this. This is the traveling distance by car for 3 hours 44 minutes. That means 3 complete 3 by 4. That means 15 by 4. Now 15 by 4 is the total time to travel the distance 150 kilometers. So what is the car speed here? That is 40 kph. What is the speed here? 135 by 15. That means 9 multiplied by 4. That means 36 kilometer. And here 15. That means 60 kilometer per hour. Here this is 15, 14, 56 kilometer. Right? So now check by taking these options, this speed here. Now see, 40 kilometers, this is 42, right, and 40, 36. Quite comfortable because not having a large prime number. Now see, if we take 56, that is 56 minus 4, that is 52. 52 already contains 13, the large prime number. So 56 should not be. 60, 56. Again 7, large prime number within 56, right? 7 multiplied by 8. So we should avoid this. Now 36, 32, 32, and here is 36, not giving any integer multiple. So some way we have to remove this, because another option is given which is very comfortable. See, 80 by 40, this is 2. So 90 by 36, which gives us 18, 2, this is 5. So 5 by 2 minus 2, which gives half, right? So satisfies the condition. So the total traveling distance in 3 hours 45 minutes by car, this is 150 kilometer, right? So at times checking the options would serve better and give you answer in minimal time. If the ratio of curved surface area of a cone, that is pi r l, and the total surface area, that is pi r l plus pi r square, equals to this. Now this 5 unit is given the surface area, that is 2310. So what is the total surface area? 2310 multiplied by 8 by 5, this would give you 462. That means 6, 48, 9, 4, 32, 36, 3696. Now this is the value pi r l, that means 2310. We can get the value of r l, that is 105, right? So 105 multiplied by 7. Now RL, I am taking this part, RL plus R square, which is equal to 3696 multiplied by 7 by 22. That gives what? 22, 149. That means 132 we can take, and 176. That means 68, 168. Now R square equals to, from this part, 168 multiplied by 7 minus 105 multiplied by 7, because here it is value of RL. Now this is 63 multiplied by 7. Now 7 into 9 multiplied by 7, which gives R value is 63, right? Now R value is not 63, this is it. That means this is square root, so that is 21. Now what is the value of L then? L equals to 105 multiplied by 7 divided by 21, that means 535, right? Now what is the H value? That means 35 square minus 21 square, 1225 minus 441, that gives you 784. This is square root, that means 28 centimeter, right? Okay. Rajan invested 5x at 30% per annum simple interest for 4 years in scheme A. Okay, so scheme A, 30% per annum for 4 years, and the amount is 5x. And in scheme B, 2x plus 200, 50% per annum, and for 2 years. Right. So what is the total interest? That is 120% of the principal. Here is 100 and 125% of the principal, because this is for CI and this is for SI scenario, right? Okay. Now the difference between the interest received from the two is 3950. Now see, if the principal is same in both the cases, then we can surely take 5% only, but here the principal is not same, so we have to work on the principal part individually. That is 1.2 here, and the difference we have to take, that is 2x plus 200 multiplied by 1.25. That is what? This is 6x and this is 2.5x, and this is 200, so 250 here it is. So 3.5x minus 200, which is equal to 3950. So 4200. So x equals to 4200 multiplied by 10 by 35. This is 600 and this is 2. That means 1200. So this is the answer. An article is marked up 60% above the cost price. So CP is here, SP is here, MP is here. So this is 160, this is 100. Now giving discount some value 576 and earned a profit 24%. Earned a profit 24% means the selling price is 124. Now this difference is 36, which corresponds to 576. Now 576 divided by 36, this is 1% value. Now what we have to find out? Sold at a profit 125%. Simply multiplied 125. That means what? So 16. So 16 multiplied by 125, this is a very tricky one. 16 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 100 divided by 100. Why I am doing so? 125 multiplied by 8 gives 1000. So 16,000 divided by 8, that gives us 2000, right? So this is the answer. Monthly saving of B is 56% of income A and 20% of the monthly expenditure of B. Okay, so this is A and B. So here is income, here is expenditure, and here it's saving, right? So monthly saving of B in income, this is income of A is 100 and monthly saving of B, that is 56%. So this is the saving, right? And if the monthly saving of A is 3840, this is 3840, right? And monthly saving of B is 20% more than the monthly expenditure of A. So this should be 10 divided by 12 because this is 120%, right? The saving of B is 120% of the expenditure of A. That means expenditure A is less. So we have to multiply it by proper fraction, that is 10 by 12. Now this is it, and this is the expenditure is given. So 100 minus 56, 5 by 6, which gives you 3840. This, for avoiding confusion, you can take a variable here. So this is 28 by 3, 140. So 160x divided by 3, which gives you 3840, 0 gone. So 2 and 4. So x equals to 72. Now x equals to 72. What we have to find out? Average monthly expenditure. That means total expenditure is given 3664 multiplied by 2. Now find the monthly expenditure of B, right? So monthly expenditure of A, this is equal to, not 160, monthly expenditure of A 56 multiplied by 10 by 12. That means 56 multiplied by 5 by 6, which is multiplied by 6. So this is 12, 6, 3160, right? 3360, I think. This is 60, 3360. So monthly expenditure of B, monthly EXP of B equals to, this is what less from the average value? 3664. So 304 is less. So 3664 plus 304, which gives you 3968. This is the answer here. So no need of multiple this part, right? Whatever the less is coming or whatever the more is coming, depending upon that part, we will add something or subtract something, right? That's it. Here is the next question. Present average age of A, B, C is 64 years. 12 years hence the ratio of ages of A and B is 3:4. So A, B, C total age, that is 192. 64 is the average age. So what is the present age? 12 years hence the age becomes 3:4. So we can take it 3x minus 12 and this is 4x minus 12. Now age of C 15 years hence is 75% of the present age of B. So this is the present age. So 75% of this, that is 3x minus 9, right? Multiplied by 3 by 4, 3x minus 9. Now this is the age of C after 15 years, right? So what is the present age of C? Minus 15. So this is the total age is already given. So 3, 3, 6 and 10x. 10x minus 24 and minus 24. So minus 48, which is equal to 192. That means 10x equals to 240. So value of x is 24. Now anything you can calculate here. So the ratio of the present age, that means 3x minus 12, 60, right? And this is 3x minus 24. 3 into 24 minus 24. So 2 into 24, that means 48. So this is 4, this is 5. 5:4 is the answer. Now this is all the word problems. Now we are moving to the DI set here. These all questions I have taken a particular mock, the PM mock, so that you can understand in which way you can solve it out to get the best output, right? So a shopkeeper receives payments through GPay and PhonePe respectively. The table shows below the total payment received and the ratio of payments through Google Pay and PhonePe on 4 different days. So this is the total payment and this is the ratio of payment through Google Pay and PhonePe, right? Easy one. Ratio of the payment received through PhonePe on Tuesday and Thursday. Ratio of payment through PhonePe Tuesday and Thursday. This is 25 total, 25 divided by 300, and again this is 3000 divided by 25. That means what? Multiply this part by 4, right? And divided by 100. That means 120. Now 120 multiplied by phone pay part, that is 9. This is it. And here on Thursday, that means 8. 8 means 8 and 480, right? 480 multiplied by phone pay part, that is 5. So this is it. So 120 multiplied by 9 ratio 480 multiplied by 5, right? So this is 4. So 9 ratio 20. Easy. Moving to next. Total payment received through Google Pay on Tuesday. Received through Google Pay on Tuesday. That means 120. We have already calculated the 1 unit part. That is 120 here. This is 480 here, right? So 120 on Tuesday, Google Pay, and so Phone Pay on Wednesday. Phone Pay on Wednesday, that means 20. So 180 is the 1 unit part. So this is 180, and this is through Phone Pay. 180 multiplied by 13, and this total is 140% more, right? 140% more means if initially is 100, now it is 240%. So this is 140% more. So we have to divide by proper multiplied by proper fraction. 5 by 12 here. This is the 240%. So 100 by 240 and reduced form is 5 by 12. Now more than what? The total payment received on Saturday. So this is the total payment received on Saturday. See, this is 10. This is 15. So 160 plus 195, right? So 355 multiplied by 5 will give you 1775, right? If the total payments received by shopkeeper on all the 4 days is represented by a pie chart, central angle made by the payment received on Monday. So Monday, this is the payment. So now sum total of these two, all these 4. So 3, 3, 3, 9. So this is 5, 14. 14, 3 plus left here. So 7 and 6, 13, 13, 8, 21. Now this is 2, this is 1, right? And this is 6, the second plus, this is 4, 100. So again 1. So this is 8. So 16200. This is the total 360 degree, right? Now what is this part? That means Monday part, that is 5670. So 360 multiplied by 5670 divided by 16200. Right? So this will give us 0, 0, and this is not, this is 2, 0. Okay, just cancel it. This is 2. So 36, right? So this would be 4, 9, 2, 18, right? 2, 18, and 18 it gives 9. So 18, 2, right? So this is 64. That means 128 degree, right? Okay. Moving to next. Payment received through Google Pay on Wednesday is how much percent? Payment received through Google Pay on Wednesday. That means 180 multiplied by 7. We have already calculated 1 unit, and this is for 7 Google Pay. And how much more or less than that of Thursday? Thursday again Google Pay we have to calculate. That means 480 multiplied by 3, and which will give us, this is 6, 6, 8. So 7 by 8. What less? 1 less. 1 by 8 means 12.5%. Right. Find the difference between the payment received through Phone Pay and payment received from Google Pay on Monday. Difference. So this is 9 unit Google Pay and 7 for Phone Pay, and the difference is 2 unit. Now 1 unit is what? 16. 5760 divided by 16. This is the 1 unit. 5760 divided by 16 and 2. This is 8, 8, 8, 2. So 720 rupees, right? Moving to next. 5 quadratic equation here. Just try to solve it. See, x square. So this is plus, this is plus. Means 242 have to have 2 factors on which sums gives us 32. Now 12, 20 multiple 240, right? And no sign change is there. So both are in negative, right? According to Descartes' sign rule. Now 108, that means 9 and 12 you can make, and the difference of these two is 3. See, here is only sign change, one sign change. So obviously the greater one gets negative and this is positive, right? Because here it's positive, so reverse of this sign would be there in the resultant, in the higher number, right? So what is this? This is minus 12 here, this is minus 12 here, and this is even more less. So x less than or equal to y, because already y is greater, that is plus 9. So here this one. Now 7x only 7y only one variable, so you can surely calculate it. This is plus 4 for easier calculation. This is 400, so this is 148. What is this? This is 252 divided by 7, which gives the value of y. That means 3, this is 6, 36, and now 712 minus 12 into 36, that means what? 360 and 72, so 432. Now if this is 412, then surely this is 300, but this is not. Minus 22 is there, so 270 minus 20 is already there, so 280 would be, and this is the value of 7x. So what is the value of x? This is 40, x 40 and y 36. X is greater. Moving to next, this is 8 and this is 33. 3 multiplied by 11 and 8, this is 2, this, so 3 into 2, that is 6 and 44, right? So this is one sign change, this is another sign change, so two sign change, that means both are in positive, but here 8 is there along is a coefficient with x square, that means 6 by 8 and 44 by 8, this gives 5.5 and this is 0.75, right? Both are in positive, the value of x. Now y square, this is 12y, y plus 4 equals to 0, 12y equals to 0, that means y is 0 or y equals to minus 4. Now surely you can take, even if you take the lesser value of x, that is 0.75, this also is greater than both the values of y, that means x is clearly greater than y. Moving to next, this is 12 square, so 12 into 12 gives you 144, but this is 24, not sums, but 18 into 8, right? This is good. Right? Okay, so 18 and 8, two sign change, one sign change, one sign change, that means both are in positive, the values of x. Now this is 18, 20, two sign change, so obviously both are in positive, right? So now here is 18, here is 18, but here is 8, which is greater than both the values of y, that means x is less than equal to y, right? X square minus 24x, 128, 128 gives what? 16 multiplied by 8, right? 16 multiplied by 100, 160, and minus 32, which is the value equal to 16 into 2, so that is 32, so 16, 8, and sums up to 24. Double sign change, one sign change, second sign change, so this is 16, 8, so the values of x, that is 16, 8, and here it's again 9 into 12 and 9 plus 12, which gives us 21, two sign change here, right? So this is the value of y. Now if we take 8 here, then x is less than y, but if we take 9 here and 16 here in the x, then also then what will be the case? X is greater than y, so we can't determine, right? Okay, moving to next. Number of males in a company A is 20% more than that of females, and total number of employees is given. So A, B, C, D, 4 companies is given, and male and females, right? So A, B, C, and D, 4 companies, and male and females it's talking about, right? And this is total if it needs. Number of males in company A 20% more than females. So if this is 5, this is 6. Now ratio of the total number of employees in company A and B, total number of employees in company A and B, so yes, here is the total, which is here 11, right? And this is here 15, right? While the ratio of the male to female in company B is 11 ratio 9, male to female, that means 9 here, and this is 11, male to female, right? And average number of employees in company B and C is 1740, so this total is 1740 multiplied by 2. Number of females in company B is 75.6%, leave it for the moment. Number of females in the company D is 40%. Okay, you see here the in company D, total number of employees in company D is given 1600, right? So this is 1600, and on the basis of this, which is 368 more than that of company A, so this is 368 more, that means this is 1232, and 1232 equals to 11 unit, right? This is 15 unit, this is 11 unit, that means what? So 1 and 1 and 2, so this is the 1 unit value in A I am talking about. So what is this part? This is 672 and this is 560, right? So if this is 11 unit, what is 15 unit? That means for B 1120, and plus 560, which gives 1680. So 1680 is here. Now see, 1680 is here. What less than 1740, which is the average of all both B and C? That means 60 less. So 60 less 16, 60 gets added to 1740. The average value, that is 1800, is here. Now in B part, the ratio is already given, 11:9, the male female ratio. So this is 20. 20 means 1680 divided by 20, which is 884, right? So this would be 924, and this would be 840 minus 840, that means what? 840 minus 84, that means 96. So this would be what? 840 minus 40 minus 44. So this is 756, right? Right? Okay. Now in C and D part, we have to move further. See, 75.6 B, in company B, number of females in company B is 75.6% of the number of males in company C. That means 756 is 75.6%. That means number of males of company C, this is 1000 here. 75.6% of 1000 gives 756, right? Now if this is 100, so this is 1000, this is 800. Number of females in company D is 40% more than that in company C. 40% more than that of company C. 40% more, this is 800. So 40% more means 320. So 1120. So what it would be? 480. Done. Now number of males in company B, that is 924. Number of females in company D, that is 1120. Right. Ratio of the number of females in company A and C. Females in company A and C, 560 and 800. So 560 by 800. This is 7, this is 10. So 7:10 is here. Number of females in company B is how much more than or less than number of males in company D? Number of females in company B, that is 756. How much more or less than that of company D? That is 112. So if we just reduce the value, that is 378, this is 560, this is 280, this is 189, this is 27, and this is 40. Now 20, that is 50%, plus 4, that is 10%, right? Is this okay? Number of females in company B, how much more than number of males? Number of males in company D, right? Okay. So this is 750 number of females, and number of males in company D, this is 480. So this would be 378, and this is 240, and again further reduce, this is 189 by 278 and 240, right? And then further 3, 6 and 3, 340. Now 23 more. That means if we separate this part 20%, that means 50% already, and 3 is what percent of this? 3 by 40 multiplied by 100, should not be done here. So 3 by 40 multiplied by 100, which gives, this is 2, this is 5, so 57.5. So 57.5. Average number of males in company A and C together, this is 600. So 1000, 1672, half is 836. Moving to next. 5 shopkeepers are only 2 types of books, sold only 2 types of books, that is Hindi and English, right? So this is the Hindi part and this is the English part. This is Ram, Roy, Raju, Ramesh and Suresh. Number of Hindi books sold by Ram and Ramesh, Hindi books by Ram and Ramesh, that means 240 plus 576 together, and to the number of English books Roy and Raju English books, that is 432 plus 144, that gives 7816, and divided by 5 76, right? Reduce it. 408 and 288, further reduce 144, and this is 204, further reduce 102, 72, this is 36, this is 51, 17 and 12, so 17 ratio 12. Number of English books sold by Ram and Ramesh together, Ram and Ramesh English book, that means 180, so this is 540, 180 plus 360 is how much more or less than the total number of books sold by Raju. Total number of books sold by Raju, that is this, so 480, this is 480, more or less, so 0 cancelled, 227, 243, 8, 3, 9, 12.95% more. 56% of the Hindi books, 75% of the English books sold by Suresh are Marvel publication. Percentage of books total that are Marvel publication out of the total number of books sold by him, right? So Hindi books, 56% of Suresh, that is 300, so 56%, 168. English books, 384, and 75% of this, that is 36 and 6. That means if we multiply 100, then 12, 4 less, 3 into 4, that means 12, so 300 minus 12, that is 288, right? So 168 plus 288, that means 456, and out of the total, that means 684, so 456 out of 684, reduce it, 228, 342, and 114, 171. Now 19, this is 6, this is 9, so 2 by 3, which gives 66 complete 2 by 3. Number of Hindi books sold by Ganesh is 37.5% more than Roy. Okay, Hindi books, now it's talking about Ganesh, so Hindi books 11 by 8, that of Roy. Roy Hindi books, that is 192, 192, so this is 264, right? And average number of books, Hindi and English both, sold by Ganesh and Ramesh, that is 600. So Ramesh total books, that is, this is 576 and this is 180. So what is the total? 576 plus 180. This gives 756, right? And 600 minus 156 you have to do to get the total number of books sold by Ganesh here. So this is 444. Now 264 is the total number of Hindi books. Now find the number of English books sold by Ganesh. That is, if this is 244, then this is 200, but this is 20, even less, that means 180. So this is the correct one. Average number of books sold by Ram, Roy and Suresh together. Ram, Roy and Suresh. Ram, total number of books. So this is Ram, Roy and Suresh. So Ram total books, that is 600, right? Roy total books, that is, if this is 8 plus, so this is 424, then 624, right? And Suresh, that is 684, right? So 600 is common, the average part, that is plus 24, 84, and divided by 3, that means 108, means 36. So 636 is the answer. Moving to next. Okay, so these are all the 35 questions. You can understand can be solvable within 18 minutes or less than that. Okay, though I have taken some more time to make you understand here. Okay, so that is the scene here. You can solve all the 35 questions very efficiently, and if there is any questions you should have a second time revision, then you should do, and try to practice more number of questions. That's the only thing here. Okay, so that is all for now, and good day.